we shall fill in these blanks with the articles and prepositions. See, this is the answer of the above paragraph. Shailesh Chandra Rai, the former head of the biochemistry department. Actually, this man is particular here. Shailesh Chandra Rai is mentioned here as a particular person, and that is why as a definite person, the is used here. Head of the biochemistry department. This department is also a particular department, and it is being mentioned as a definite department at a particular department, and that is why the has been also used here. The biochemistry department of Calcutta University died. This died means Satish Chandra Roy died in Calcutta. Calcutta is a big place, and we know that before a big place we use in. In a small place, in small city, we can use at, and in a big place we can use in. So no particular small place is mentioned here, and that is why we are using here in Calcutta on Wednesday. We know that before a day we use on, that is why on has been used here. He was 85. 85 means he was 85 years old and survived by 2 sons. Actually, we have to use the preposition by after survive. Here, survived by 2 sons means Satish Chandra Roy has left 2 sons after his death. His death was deeply mourned by many an admirer. Actually, mourn means here expressing grief or sorrow. People have expressed their grief or deep sorrow for the death of Satish Chandra Roy, and his death has been mourned by many an admirer. Now we will fill up these blanks with the appropriate articles and prepositions. This is the answer of the above passage. The World Nutrition Week is observed from 5th to 12th September. Actually, this is a particular week, and that is why the has been used here, a particular time period, and that is why from to has been used here as a preposition. On this occasion, Professor Utpal Roy Chaudhary of the Department of Food Technology and Biochemical Engineering, Jadavpur University. Before occasion, we should use on, the preposition on. So on this occasion, Professor Utpal Roy Chaudhary of the department. These 3 departments are particularly mentioned here: the Food Technology and Biochemical Engineering, Jadavpur University. Lectures means this person, Professor Utpal Roy Chaudhary, lectures on the new areas of nutrition science at a seminar in Kolkata. You can use the preposition at or in a seminar.